Is my first attempt at making a portfolio. I thought I would do this since a couple of you had questions about accessing it. So I'm following the Access the Writer Studio portfolio template instructions. I'm in my Google Drive. You can always get to your ASU Google Drive from my ASU. But I'm going to click on the apps, click on the Google Apps icon in the corner and select sites. So and this is really important because you won't find it from another organization. Okay, so here I am. Click. Site says click template gallery, which you can find here. Okay. You should see the Writer Studio Portfolio Master in the Arizona State online template gallery. So Writer Studio, I'm just going to do a quick search by pressing Control F. Writer Studio Portfolio Master. Yeah, it looks like that's somebody else's though, huh? Maybe it's just that people have been saving them as templates, and so now it's hard to find. So I just had to look down a little bit. Like I want just the Writer Studio Master. Does that work? Because this looks like that might be a student. Click to automatically create a copy. So that works because the student has copied it, but I don't know what you mean. So you put your name here. So that works, but I see why some of you might be confused about making sure you have the right one, because it should just say like name portfolio, right? So let me try again. Okay, I'm gonna go. Why are you doing this to me? Once more. Sometimes I think something about my internet or maybe our Google site is like giving me a hard time. So I'm gonna go, it says click template gallery. And it should begin with a W. So I'm gonna go down. Name, this one. Okay, so it has in the brackets names portfolio. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm sorry that I've already. So now I've clicked on that correctly. Okay, maybe it was instructive to see me do that incorrectly. Here we go. So it has all the suggestions for you. So I'm gonna put Sara Sams, and I'm gonna say instructor Sams. Oh my gosh. This is why it's always hard with my last name. Like maybe I'll just call it Sara's portfolio. I don't mind if you guys call me Sara, so if you all call me Sara. So there we go. So I'm gonna work on this on my own. But I want to make sure I'm saving it. I'm gonna call it instructor Sam's portfolio. And let's see. So this is how I make sure to publish it. Version history duplicate. So it's automatically saved, but if you want to just go ahead and publish it, that'll make it easier to share. You're going to have to do it when you finish it anyway. So let's say I don't want to be called instructor word nerd because that's like my handle. Just letting you all know I'm a nerd. Okay, and then I'll publish that. And then now view published site. You can make sure that here is that's the URL you'll be sharing with people today in the discussion board. Okay, I hope that helps, Dana. Let me know if you still have issues.